Hello and welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Ashish Parekh. Let's take a look at the top 9 news from the world of technology.
As PUBG Mobile gears up for its re-entry into the Indian market, it has come across a hurdle yet again. The objection this time comes from National Commission for Protection of Child Rights that said that it would not be appropriate to allow the game to come back unless legislations are in place for such online games, according to officials. Have a spare Gmail account that you haven't logged into for a long time? Well, it's high time you do, because starting June 2021, Google will start deleting Gmail accounts that have been inactive for more than 2 years. This includes products like Gmail, Drive or Photos. The policy won't apply to users that have bought additional storage. Tech giant Microsoft has revealed that Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge and Yandex browsers are affected by an ongoing malware campaign that is designed to inject ads into search results and add malicious browser extensions. Dubbed Adrozek, the newly discovered malware family has been at scale since at least May this year, and the attacks peaked in August, with the threat being noticed on more than 30,000 devices every day. While most people only hope for a seamless performance when they buy a smartphone, there are various requirements as far as gamers are concerned. Now, Samsung Galaxy S20 and Galaxy Note 20 series users can install a dedicated app that will enhance the performance of select games on their phones through standalone GPU driver updates. The Samsung Game Driver app is available for both Exynos and Qualcomm Snapdragon versions of the Galaxy S20 and Galaxy Note 20 models. But good news for other Samsung users, the company has plans of making the app available for other devices as well. Google has introduced a new control in ad settings that will enable people to see fewer alcohol and gambling ads on both Google and YouTube platforms. While earlier there were options to stop seeing certain types of ads, this new feature is an extra step, putting the choice in the user's hands and enabling them to further control your ad experience. The excitement is building up ahead of the launch of the Galaxy S21 series on January 14th, and through various sources, we have a list of leaks about the upcoming device. As per the leaks, Galaxy S21 Plus and Galaxy S21 Ultra users will stand a chance to use smart Quadrat case in mint and violet variants. As per the leaks, the South Korean company will be offering its chargers at a cheaper cost than before. It will also be introducing a new 30-watt fast charger. In yet another development that marks a very rough month for SpaceX, the company called off the launch of a Falcon 9 rocket carrying a new Sirius XM satellite on Friday, December 11th, halting the flight at the last minute for extra system checks. SpaceX is launching the SXM-7 satellite for satellite radio provider Sirius XM on this mission. SXM-7 is a 7,000 kilograms radio communication satellite designed to serve Sirius subscribers across the United States, Canada and the Caribbean. The Last of Us Part 2 won the Game of the Year award, and it also bagged most of the awards at the Game Awards 2020. Other popular winners were Among Us for Best Mobile and Multiplayer, Animal Crossing's New Horizon and Fall Guys Ultimate Knockout. Ghost of Tsushima also won the Best Art Direction, and Final Fantasy VII Remake won the Best Score and Music. We all knew Adobe Flash was shutting down with the daily pop-ups on Google Chrome. Adobe has rolled out the last and final update for Flash, after which it will officially end support on December 31st.
So these were the top 9 news from the world of technology. Do let us know what you think in the comment section below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital. Thanks a lot for watching.